Today we're here to try Buc-ee's snacks.
Ooh-wee! Bucky, Captain America's little friend.
That sounds like some fan fiction from The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. It's like Sam had Bucky's nuggies in his mouth.
Are they nuggets? Are they like golden nuggets?
Yeah, like snack nuggets in the shape
crisps.
of a nugget or something.
Bucky's snacks.
I believe he's a little chipmunk or a little beaver or a little something.
What is this?
Not
Corn
expecting
snacks.
that at all. They look very dehydrated.
They do. You know what? If something's going to be at a truck stop, I'm nuggies.
Oh, like the gold nuggets. Like when you're
golden crisps.
doing the thing for the gold.
Oh my god, they're like chickadees.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, look at the little guy.
Isn't he, Bucky?
Cookies.
Oh, this is the best shoot
She
ever.
gets a teddy bear?
It is a little man. I was kind of right.
Bucky.
Hi, babes.
Don't never talk to me and my son again.
I like the way his tail looks like he was run over.
It actually
It's got
really
tire
does
marks.
look like.
Aw.
Oh, now his arse is just in my face.
His beaver.
Isn't that it lovely?
They smell like feet.
Oh, they do. They smell exactly like feet.
Really strong.
That would
Cheddar
explain
flavour.
the cheesiness of it.
It's very nice. I know, I jumped the gun. I was just so excited.
Oh, you're right. It actually tastes lovely.
Yeah.
Yep. That's exactly what I expected. They're not crunchy enough, though.
No.
It's like
That is really
It's
cheesy.
like brie. It's like really creamy cheese.
It's like cheesy popcorn.
I'm digging these.
Yeah, I really like them. The flavor's really nice. The texture's really good. They're really nice comfort food. Like you'd sit on the couch with them and watch a movie any day.
Are they quite cheesy?
Not really.
No.
It's like a little bit of cheese and then it just goes.
Yeah.
It's like an easy single. It's there for a second and then it's gone.
Would recommend. They're like his little teeth.
Yeah.
Buggy's little teeth. Look, it's your dad.
Hello, son. Hello.
Pungent.
Is there a bang of cheese?
Bang it. Bang a cheese off these nuggies. Bang a cheese off these beavers, let me tell you. Oh, God.
Oh, that didn't
You
go.
do.
as
What
planned.
are you trying to do?
I went to throw it up in the air and catch it in my mouth, but then like just rolled off
That
my
was a
hand
very, like,
phonetically.
Moment there. Ooh, these look like they have a coating.
They
of
look
some
like they're
sort.
honey coated. Are these honey coated?
Like caramel?
Oh yeah, I'm getting that vibe. Oh my god, maybe they are caramel.
Oh, happy days.
Sea salted caramel
Rock and
beaver
roll,
nuggets.
rock and roll.
Yeah, I haven't even sniffed them, but I bet you without me even trying it, that if you put this in milk, it would make an amazing cereal.
Beaver nuggets. I'm not sure if it's the best name for them. Like little beaver shits, you know.
Don't listen. Don't listen to them. You are perfectly normal. Don't worry. There's nothing wrong with your name.
Yeah, enticing. I am ready to dive in. Did you already do it?
Yeah, sorry.
Eat my nugs.
I actually love him. Adam Sandler. Eat my nuts, please. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'd say it'd be really nice.
I'm not really mad about them.
Oh, yeah.
I think if it was popcorn, it would make sense, but because it's a crisp,
The nuggie.
it's a bit weird.
Reminded me of salted caramel popcorn. Mm-hmm. Which is not a bad thing.
They're very solid.
These are very decadent.
I think it's more salty than sweet.
It's like us. Salty and sweet.
You're lucky.
White cheddar, more savoury, these more sweet. So if you want your savoury snack, go for the cheddar. If you want your sweetness, go for sea
These.
salt.
I kind of want him to say something. He should have something to him as well. Also, Bucky, what did I tell you about not wearing trousers?
Sorry, I do know what those are. He's really cute. I love the way
I
he's got
know.
himself on a t-shirt. Like, he is so proud of himself for this
Beavers.
company he started.
Oh, you've just given us the first one again.
Bucky,
But there's green dots in it.
White
No.
cheddar and habanero flavored. Okay.
So they're spicy.
All right, here we go.
As a corn snack, I don't think it can be too spicy.
Yeah, like they always have a little bit of, oh, it's hot, and that's like, no, it's not at all.
You know what? Like I bet these are going to be really spicy.
I'm gonna have one.
I'm gonna have several.
Alright,
Right.
well, that's your funeral.
Oh my
Never-
god!
Are they
Oh,
hot? Are they hot?
bang of habanero off that.
Yeah, I can taste like a kick
yeah.
of spice.
Oh yeah, that's hot.
I'm worried for your movements later. This is actually quite spicy as well. Are you not in bits? Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh,
That is,
Bucky!
that is a spicy, crisp chip cheddar habanero cookie nuggie.
It's good.
So like if you didn't know they were habanero and they were on the table, You'd pick them thinking they were cheesy,
Yeah.
and then they just burn them out of you.
What's the habanero flavor like?
It's spicy. It's not a flavor. It's just that they put on something spicy.
It's
not
former
really
glue.
There's no. Oh, nobody can hear you. You've already gone into the light where we've called an ambulance. This is a hallucination. You are not real.
Is this the most positive video ever?
Could be.
This is all very good.
I like that they're spicy. I love spicy food.
You like a hot nuggie on a hot summer's day.
Oh, good. I wouldn't recommend eating all of them at once, but
That's Stockholm syndrome.
I'm gonna eat your fingers. And again.
Way to go, Mr. Beaver. You like them hot. This is all those other beavers were calling him a pussy. So he said, "Oh, so you a pussy. I'll make the hottest habanero nuggie I could muster." Boy, howdy did he. Now they all love him and they praise his name. Oh, there goes Bucky with his hot nuggies. Praise Bucky.
I thought I had a more meaningful
It's
thing
more
to say.
tiggly than Bernie, isn't it?
It's more what?
Tiggly.
Tiggy.
Tiggly.
Oh, tiggly.
Tiggly,
Sound like you were
tiggly.
saying tiggly.
Tiggly, yeah.
Tickly.
Tiggly.
Tickly.
Tiggly.
Tickly. Tickly.
Tiggly.
Tickly.
Tiggly.
Okay, good. You got that. Because you were saying tiggly.
Tiggly. I've always said tiggly. That's the way I pronounce it, okay?
bold and spicy.
Bold and spicy. Oh, like me and you.
Yeah.
Bold and spicy.
Okay.
Bold and sorta spicy. Okay, I think we're in the clear here.
That was the legal department looking at it and saying, we won't get away with spicy, we need to put something in here.
Bucky's kind of looking a bit scary now in that picture. Do you notice that?
In that picture,
Yeah, he
just
looks
here like,
thirsty for blood. It's very Animal Farm.
It's not as bad as the last one.
Not as crispy as the other ones.
Yeah, the texture of them is not as crunchy. It's
No.
more like soft or something.
Yeah.
Definitely. They're softer.
They're very soft.
Very, very, very soft.
There's barely a crunch of these. Oh my god, they are good.
But this is actually quite tasty. I'm not getting any spicy though.
No. Not even getting sort of spicy.
This is like when you get the dust in like
Yeah.
noodles. You just put it over your nuggies.
Again, these will be good cinema snacks.
And they're very quiet cinema snacks, so you wouldn't be interfering with all the people around you.
Except when opening the bag. There's nothing I hate more than when you're in the cinema and it's a quiet moment and you just hear that one person go.
Yeah.
They do look like little prawns.
Little prawn dicks.
I'm very proud of you, son. Like, you've done a service to the world.
Oh, he can get squished. Oh, look at that. Playing with his beaver. Good on him. Shannon, would you stop playing with
He
your
needs
beaver?
some more.
He is an icon. He has charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent. He is the moment.
Not as many innuendos as I thought there would be.
I'm a big fan of Bucky. He seems like a real gent.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Beaver.
Yeah.
After that.
Me.
Thanks for watching, guys. We know you liked what you saw, and we know you're gonna like more stuff when you see it. So hit that bell, hit the subscribe button, do all those things, and you know what? Click on a playlist, because then you're gonna have hours of fun. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Bucky?